We gotta talk about this. It's gonna have some controversy behind it, but I need y'all to get active in the comments. This is what this video is about. One of my biggest tips from my shooting guide was to ignore the defender. Most people freak out in this situation in airball, but I was able to knock it down. Shooting guide here. Okay, watch this closely.
Shot clock at 6. Here's Pajemski. 10 points in his last outing. Pure from... Shot clock at 6. Here's Pajemski. 10 points in his last outing.
Now, defender jumps. He pulls. But it's like he's still kind of in his contest lane. And this is my first time, me, honestly, seeing someone shoot this type of shot. Still. And then staying confident behind.
10 points in his last outing.
And it was open. What in the world? I watched a dude shoot contested just like this yesterday while being told he was open and contested about 20% when he clearly was guarded at this 75%. Game is fried. Now, I've seen ridiculous percentages as well. Now, there's not a lot of depth behind it because 2K has had their game so mixed and mingled with the stats and attributes. Like, not too many people rocking 98s off the rip, not too many people rocking 99s, or, you know, in betweens or the 90s or higher. Some people 80s. People kind of go up and down, right? I get your point, but they try to incorporate this method to punish people for jumping too early so that defense doesn't get rewarded for making bad decisions. Now, let's finish reading. So I'm not mad at it, but I understand your point of view as well. So here's where he's saying, and the guy's not coming off like he has a Zen. I've seen some people was commenting saying like, yo, we gotta see what he has. He has something.
Here's Pajemski.
Now, I get what he's saying. He's saying when the defender jumps here. But it's like in 2K, because the game is not like, think about it, like he jumped, well, in real life shots like this can go off. We gonna keep it 100. But how people are gonna come at this from the gaming aspect of it, this is a video game. He jumped and he's still right in front of your face right here. People are feeling like he should get some animation right here. But realistically, in real life, that can play out. Even how the animation looks. Now, I understand that they added guard up in the game, right? We have the new badge guard up in the game, and guard up is like, it's for shooting, it's for fades, and the badge is kind of weird how it works. And I feel like that's a new avenue they're trying to like take us down, so people can start shooting these type of shots, like where, oh, a defender's right up on you, but his hand's not up, and then you can shoot it. You already can see it with post fades a little bit, right? But you can do it with jump shots too. I have done it.
10 points in his last out.
Now this is just, I don't know. Is this 2K's shooting system, guys? Is it messed up? Are they having problems with their system?
10 points in his last outing.
I just want to know if your 3-point rating has anything to do with it. Animation you get in the situation, because you gotta have faith that your player will move towards the open space. I'm not fully understanding the question with the open space part. Your 3-point rating is only affecting the green window for the shot here. Open on this is crazy. How he jumped early. So I want to know what your guys' take is about this, because if this is the case, this can lead players to shooting more crazy contested shots, and it also can lead players to shooting more just bad shots, bad takes. But this also shows the realism 2K is trying to expand to, if this is the case for this, and this is not a Zen, right? This was the same case Chalk was saying, and Chalk was saying that he was shooting shots just like this, y'all. Chalk, And it's like, yo, what is it here? What's the real truth? There's people saying, yeah, Chalk been using a Zen. He's been on a Zen. Then right here, I seen Black Cobra and a few other people say he got something. So what does he have that's letting him get an open registered contest? He's making it seem like it's not, and it's just him jumping. When I look at the animation, this is literally like real life. We slow it down and go in slow motion and show y'all. Look. What the hell? Hold up. The clock was on 1. How did he even get this off in time? Ain't that shit on 0? Wait a second. Oh, he got it off. Okay, at a 0.3. Okay, I see it. I was about to say. Now look, when you look at his body animation, he jumps and turns around, and he even turns around and does like that little protecting stuff so he doesn't get the foul. You know what I mean? But how's that not a contest? That don't make sense. That's still like a contest in real life. That's a contest where he was able to jump at you and not foul you. And look how his arm even moves. Look at this foot. His foot, Pajensky's foot hits his foot. So this is what I mean by, is this bad, poor window selection on 2K? Because look at his foot. Yo, look at Pajensky's foot. It's touching his foot. There's no little, his foot animation where he like falls to the ground. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, why is his body not registering there as a contest? Is that some type of glitch in play now? What like, you know, I'm not sure. Either way, this is actually pretty crazy. All right, so we see this. Excellent timing. So I want you guys to take on this. When I'm looking at how he's passing and how he's moving, no stick skill, it's like fishy to me. It's very fishy. He's just like taking a contested shot, like it's like a walk in the park. You know what I mean? Zen Chronicles has and must continue. Some people get mad. Oh, man, you're gonna get tired. Oh, you posted Zen content. It must be eliminated. Once it's eliminated, I have no use to post Zen content. There'll be no need. But it's still an extra avenue. Why not? Why not expose what people are having to do to shoot in 2K? Because it's too hard for them. It's too much of a struggle. And that's what makes the game the game. When you can cheat, it takes away from it. Now you guys let me know what it is here that we're seeing. Faulty 2K mechanics. Literally, I feel like me shooting this in the park a few times and somebody jumping like this. Like the animation, like if you guys look at it, it's a different animation. Somebody's blocking that. I'm getting a contest. 70% contested in the park. So what is this? Play now glitching. And he's not the only time I've seen shots like this. What is this, people? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see y'all in the next one.
That my way. Spin this shit around. That's him.
Just in case. Went to the store today. Went to gangsta out today. Seen a Zen in the case. I made my way. I made that pay. Bought me a Zen today. You say fuck my way. We not tryna be your friend. I'm in a park going overseas. Because I got me a Zen. Until I got me a Zen. I plugged it in again. I'm feeling plugged in. Who got the work again? Who got the script for me? I need the best script to hit the green. My Wayne, we said fuck you. We all bosses in. Everybody in the Discord, 5,000 members. We say fuck my Wayne. We scream fuck my Wayne. We making all of this pay. Winning all of the events. Winning all like the stage. Winning, shooting the green. I might take a fade. Fuck my Wayne today. We all got a Zen.
Plug it in again. Man, who got to work for me? I need all the scripts. I need everything.